Following removal from the high-level disinfectant, the scope is now submerged into sterile water. And we're now going to flush the channels to remove any remnants of the high-level disinfectant. Again, using our syringe, 30 ml syringe, we're going to do the suction. We're going to draw up 90 ml of water, and we're just going to flush the channel to remove any remaining high-level disinfectant. Moving to the air-water channel, this one here. Again, we're going to do 90 ml. And for the auxiliary water channel, we only need to do 30 ml. A bit of a wipe. Now we've finished this, we can let the water out.